No, ma'am. We really need to make sure first to retaliate on a safe place first, and then if there's no shootout, that's the time that we can revive someone.
I'm about to lose all these vitamins.
No, ma'am. MD7, is that correct, ma'am? Oh yes, MD7 is basically a gang association and criminal activity. So it's associating with a gang member, which is committing major crimes with them. So the punishment for that one is dismissal from the faction.
What is the punishment?
All right, MD2 is firearm usage. So basically, we are not allowed to use our gun like AKs. So it's really strictly prohibited. So it's also a dismissal from the faction if you've been cuffed with that one. All right, so MD8 is a respectful conduct towards colleagues and civilians. So we really need to act professional. So we really need to maintain respect in each and every one. MD9 is non-compliance with orders. So failing to follow orders based on the what do you call this? Hierarchy that we have, it will be equal to a reprimand.
P14.
Basically, RP13, non-faction role play. You should act as you are on a role, which is if you are a nurse, doctor, like that, army. RP14 is all about discrimination. It's not really allowed.